You can create a viral AI influencer in under 5 minutes, completely free, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Higgsfield AI just dropped their Influencer Studio, and I spent the last 2 hours testing it. I created this AI model in about 4 minutes, and people are using this exact tool on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to get millions of views and earn real money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and content monetization. The best part? You don't need any design skills or fancy software. I'll show you how to create your AI influencer, generate content, and exactly where to post it to start earning, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI influencer ready to post on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Let's dive in. First, head over to Higgsfield AI. I've left the link in the description and pinned comment below. You can sign up for free or log in if you already have an account. They offer multiple login options, including Google, so use whatever works best for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option called AI Influencer, which is currently available for free. Go ahead and click on that to get started. This will take you to the AI Influencer Studio, where you can create your own custom AI influencer. Now, you'll notice there are several pre-made influencers already available here. However, we're not going to use those. Instead, we're going to build one from scratch so you can see the entire process. You'll see 2 creation options available: Builder and Prompt. The Prompt option allows you to write a text description and generate an influencer based on that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Builder because it gives us more control and the process is very straightforward. So let's click on Builder and I'll walk you through each step. First up, you need to choose the base type. You can select human, ant, or bee. For this example, I'm going with human, since that's what most people will want to create for a traditional influencer. Next, choose the gender. You have male and female options here. I'm going to create a female influencer for this demonstration. After that, select the ethnicity. The options include African, Asian, European, and Indian, among others. For this tutorial, I'll select African. Now let's choose the skin tone. There are several options ranging from darker to lighter tones. I'm going to select the black skin tone option here. Moving on to eye color. You've got options like fully black, brown, gray, and others. I think the blue option looks really nice and natural, so I'll go with that. Next is skin condition. This lets you add things like freckles or other characteristics, but I'm going to leave this blank for a cleaner look. For the age range, I'll select adult. Now there are also advanced settings available if you want to get really detailed. You can customize eye details, mouth shape, and even add unique features like horns if you're creating something fantasy-based. You also have body customization options here, where you can choose body type, whether slim, athletic, or other variations. You can even select robotic arms or other creative elements. For this tutorial, I'm keeping things simple and sticking with the basic options I've already selected, so I'm going to skip the advanced settings for now. Alright, let's click on Generate Influencer and give it a few seconds to process. And there we go! Our AI influencer has been generated. As you can see, the result looks quite realistic and professional. Before we move forward, I'm going to save this image for reference. Now that our influencer is created, we have a few options available. You can regenerate if you're not happy with the result, edit the image further in their advanced editor called Nano Banana Pro, or create a video with this influencer. Since we're building an AI influencer that we want to use for actual content, I'm going to click on the video option. This is where things get really interesting because we can bring this static image to life. You'll see a try free button here since this feature is currently available at no cost. Let's click on that and continue. Higgsfield is currently offering free credits when you sign up, so you can use those to generate your first videos without spending anything. Once you click that, you'll see an Explore More button. Go ahead and click on that to see all the available motion options. This is where it gets really exciting. You'll see a library of motion templates, including popular viral dances and movements that are trending on social media right now. These are actual dance routines and movements that go viral on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. For this example, I'm going to select this particular motion because I think it matches well with the style of our AI influencer. The system will automatically apply your character image here. Now, let's configure the settings properly. First, select your preferred quality level. Then, make sure Scene Control Mode is turned on. This is important. Ensure the source type is set to Image. This tells the system to keep your character design exactly as you created it and only apply the motion from the template. Basically, your character stays consistent while adopting the movement pattern. What we're using here is Higgsfield's motion control tool, which is incredibly powerful. It extracts the motion from any video or template and applies it to your custom character. This means you can even upload your own videos. Maybe you are dancing or doing a specific movement, and your AI influencer will replicate that exact motion. The possibilities are really endless here. Alright, I'm going to click Generate now. This will take a few moments to process, so let's wait for the generation to complete. While this is generating, I want to talk about something important. This tool is incredibly powerful and can be used to create all kinds of content. Unfortunately, some people will use it irresponsibly. But if you're serious about building an AI influencer, I highly recommend focusing on creating content that actually adds value to your audience. You can create influencers that educate, inspire, or entertain in meaningful ways. Sure, you might get quick attention by creating controversial or shallow content, but that won't build a sustainable brand. The AI influencers that will actually succeed long-term are the ones that make a positive impact and provide real value to their followers. Think about what niche you want to enter and how your AI influencer can genuinely help or entertain people in that space. Perfect. Our video is now ready. Let's take a look at it.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours. I could treat you, but I had to charge my move.
The motion control is extremely accurate, and the character consistency is maintained throughout the entire video. This is exactly what we designed, now brought to life with realistic movement. This feature opens up incredible possibilities. You can create lifestyle content, dance videos, fitness tutorials, educational content, basically anything you can imagine. What we just created is a dance video. We started with our custom character design, selected a reference motion from their template library, and the system perfectly matched the trending movement to our character. This technology is definitely going to create a new wave of AI influencers across social media. We're already seeing this trend grow on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Now let's get into the most important part, how you can actually make money with your AI influencer. Higgsfield has an Earn program specifically designed for AI influencer creators. They're paying out to users daily, and the best part is that it's relatively straightforward to get started. To access this, simply click on Start Earning. The process involves 3 simple steps that I'll walk you through right now. Here's how the earnings work. When you post content through their program, you can start earning within 24 hours. They're currently offering a 7% bonus on earnings as an incentive for new creators. So the complete workflow is this. Create your AI influencer for free, generate videos for free using their motion templates or your own uploaded videos, then post those videos through their Earn program to start generating income. Now, while this is one monetization method, there are actually several other ways you can earn money with your AI influencer that I want to mention. You can post your AI influencer content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Once you build an audience on these platforms, you can monetize through ad revenue from YouTube and TikTok, brand sponsorships and partnerships, affiliate marketing by promoting products your influencer recommends, and selling your own digital products or services. The key is to be consistent, create valuable content, and build a real following. The AI influencer is just the tool. Your success will depend on the content, strategy you develop around it. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about the quality of this video? How are you planning to use this tool? What kind of AI influencer do you want to create? If you want to continue exploring AI tools and strategies with me, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.